Good morning, guys. Oh my gosh. Pagod ako. Grabe. Sabi ko kay Dan, magkukul in sick ako. Sabi niya, may sakit ka ba? Wala. Wala ako sakit. Pagod na lang ako. Sabi ni Dan, dalawang araw na lang talaga. Tapos holiday na tayo. Sabi ko, yeah, kaya ko to. So we will just buy energy drinks after. Sobrang pagod na ako, guys. Sobrang daming ganap this week. Not that I'm complaining. I had fun last night, though. Thank you, Popes. I will just apply like a really quick makeup on. I'll be using my Hourglass Vanish Foundation. Kung gusto... Ay, nakalimutan ko na naman mag-primer. That's alright. Naglalagay na ako ng sunscreen, guys, kasi sobrang init na. Grabe. And sobrang sakit talaga ng init dito. Grabe. Pero dito kasi hindi humid. Sa Pilipinas, very humid, diba? So, like, nakaka-sweat talaga, malagkit. Dito, hindi. It's dry and it hurts. Like, parang sinasampal ni Mr. Sun talaga, guys. Ang sakit ng init nila dito. But I'm still wearing long sleeve. Kasi sa office, ang lamig naman. Nakakaloka. Galing sa sobrang init sa labas. Pagpasok mo, like, very noticeable na, like, yung aircon talaga, pinaganon talaga nila ng over kasi nga sa init. Okay, breakfast. Naubusan na ako ng lace biscuit ko, so ito lang kakainin ko. Puto seco. Masarap din naman to. Hello, actually, dadalhin ko to sa work. Kasi naubos na yung snack ko doon eh. Yung snack ko sana doon, yung eggnog. Yung pa-eggnog siya, pero hindi siya eggnog. Iba yung brand niya. Parang homemade siya, churva. Nabili ko sa Manila Trading. Naubos na yun, so ito na yung dadalhin ko. I know, kasi last ko na bukas. No, never mind. Ito yung puto seco, campitas. So, it's rice, sugar, and eggs. Bigay sa akin to ni Manay Chona. Thank you, Manay! Manay, salamat. Meron akong ano sa coffee ko. I'm bringing these to work, guys. Coffee crisp. Bigay ni Poopay. Thank you, Poops. Pasok ka dyan. Dito kami bibili ng food ko at saka yung aking Monster. Kailangan ko ng Monster. Santa, hello. I need food. Yung gusto ko dito yung ito, chorizo pasta. This is so good. Okay, that's it. And then Monster. Where's my Monster? Monster. This is on sale. V energy drink.
$1. It's $1.15.
Yep. Lunch sorted, people. Chorizo pasta. This song is on the radio like every day. It's good though. I love it. V energy drink. Naka, ano siya, clearance. Dalawa. Sharo? Sharo ka po yun, bakuan eh. Dupanin ka na kabok. Baby, yeah. Naiinisidan ko pag kumanta ako. On the ground. My favorite song.
Horrible singer, babe.
I'm a horrible singer. I'll tell my mom. Ma!
She's a horrible singer too.
Oh no! Wait, choir? She's part of the choir. You can't say that. You sing, Ikaw? Tsaka, bigagtingog. Natapos din ang araw na ito. It actually wasn't too bad. Akala ko like mamamatay ako doon. Over. Nakaubos ako ng 2 energy drink. So, hindi ako like sobrang lutang ako. Kasi alam mo yung pagod na pagod ka, pero like okay pa rin kasi merong energy drink. Lutang. Hindi ako like inaantok. Pero nakaganon lang ako doon, no? Para akong buwang. Pero itong taong to, binilhan ako ng Lace biscuit. Sabi ko sa inyo kanina, diba, naubos na? Binila niya ako. Salamat, babe. Babe, salamat. Ito. And pagdating ko ng bahay, mag-edit ako ng video. Tapos punta kami sa Lobito. No, we will have dinner first sa Chinese restaurant and then Lobito. My battery is dying. My makeup is staying really good. Ito yung Vanish Foundation. Bongga siya. In fairness naman talaga sa kanya. Uy. We're heading to Oriental Pearl something. We will have dinner there first. Tapos pupunta kami sa... What do you call that? Aside from Lobito, because that's the suburb. But how do you call, like, Christmas lights suburb? Or I don't know. Dito na kami guys. Kami na naman yung una. Baby, can't see your face. See, Kathy said they saw Lyra. So I'm pretty sure they're looking for a car park now. The struggle is real. Kaloka talaga itong off-shoulder natin. Dito na kami guys. Sexy.
Almost encourage you to spend
Mark.
enough to
Ate.
go to the car
Danny boy. Flower boy. Neil. Kamay. Lovely. Oh, look! May pinaglalaban. Baby V. She's eating zebra. Sabi ko kanina, she's eating zebra. Zebra. Stupid girl. That's a giraffe. Poor giraffe. Yeah. Look at her. She's a Santa baby. Cute niyo. Guys, galing ko mag-chopstick.
Do November next year.
Tingnan niyo, galing na. Hindi na lang, oh.
I did it on a year.
Tinusok.
I've got to do it this year. I should have done this year. It's hilarious.
Tutusokin yan, para hindi malaglag. Ano ba
The only
kayo?
reason I'm
Crispy. Thank you. Rice is life. Lyra, rice lang yung sa'yo,
I
Lai?
had a massive lunch today. I'm not like even hungry.
Ah, sa'yo yun? Tapos kay Tony, ang sarap ng ang in-order ni Tony. Is yan. Noodles. Ah. What did you order, Kat? Nandiyan na? Ay, wala pa. Vlogger. Oh. Ano yun, speed? Ah, chicken. Tingnan yung in-order ni Dan. Sobrang laki. Like, tingnan ito plato maliit. Tingnan niya kay Dan. Oh, is that whole chicken then?
I've got no idea.
That's a lot. That looks really good though. Smells really good. Yus ka ha? Tatry niya yung soup ni Dan. Chopstick yung soup.
Sure.
Meron pa ba? Meron pa naman noodles. Tapos ayaw, hindi pala siya nasarapan ba? Oh, yeah, sabi ko. Yeah. The different. Good.
Not good. It's unique.
Ah, baby. I like it. Do you like it, Dad?
I do like it.
I really like it.
That's fun.
Hala, ang cute niyo. Talaga din sa kanyang Santa hat.
Mag-artist kayo kaya na.
Oo nga eh.
Love push and Curtis.
Baby V! Baby V! Baby V! Hello!
Si Aliyah, kawin ko Miss Australia.
Ano mo, Day? I-train mo. Aww!
Gusto niya yung mommy lang yun.
Aww!
Yeah, she only likes mommy.
Ah, she's cute! She's so happy today.
It's better just
Aww! Neil is leading the way. Dito kami guys, hintay-hintay lang muna.
Yeah.
You're leading the way?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay, we're leading the way. Yay, this is gonna be fun. Tinawagan ni Love si Lyra. Kasi wala na sila Lyra dito. Kami nagkaabot-abot na kami, oh. Yun kay Kat.
To the hotel. Parkings.
Guys, nandito na. Start na. Yan si Nilian. Tapos sa likod si Tony at saka si Mark. Hala, nandito na tayo. Wow. So yung mga bahay dito guys, may mga Christmas lights. That's the first. That's it.
Oh, look at those ones. Look at those beauties.
Wow! Oh! Ay, hala! I hope this is worth it. Yung kasi guys, yung drive pa punta dito, sobrang paganon. Oh, Neil wants that?
Yeah, wants
We
a
can stop
donut.
somewhere and then have the donut.
Do you bring your wallet, babe?
Yeah.
Can you get cash?
No, I don't. Thank you guys. Okay. So maybe on the way home we can stop there.
Those are like the places like the main street is.
Yeah. Hala, ang ganda guys. That looks really good. Yung as in, yung buong buhay talaga
So-
nakalit up. May pa-TV sila. Social.
Big screen.
Nice. Sa mukha, sa kung ano eh. Speaker. I mean, kana ba? Sa mukha eh. The rich. Those people. Yeah, oh. Social yung mga tree lights na yun.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, look at their house. Dang. Itong bahay na itong pinakamayaman dito, guys. Sa totoo lang, oh.
Malaking bahay na pwede kang pumasok sa loob tapos maglakad ka.
Pwede pumasok sa loob. As in, guys, oh, ang laki ng ano nila. Santa Claus.
Like train day and
Oh, yan din yung sinasabi ko kanina, Day. Ganyan talaga siya.
oo, Father Christmas. Pwede po makapicture.
Okay lang siguro, uy. Wala, ang social ang bahay nito. Sino kaya? I-friend natin. I-friend natin. I-friend natin yung may-ari, Day. Hala, ang ganda.
Ang ganda daw.
Si Santo, Day. Picture tayo kay Santa.
Maliwanag siya, Day.
Vlogger.
Day, alam mo hindi tayo nagpicture kanina sa lunch.
Oo nga,
Sa
dinner yun, Day. Ang nilalamig ako. Ay, may paramper. Ang ganda, guys. Father Christmas,
I will
bye.
take a photo of you guys.
Hala, maganda, pe. Yung Mark II mo, sobra siguro ganda ng quality. Kasi hindi naman siya madilim, Day. Oh. Oo. Nice naman, oh. Ay, ganda! Nakaka-istorbo na ba tayo sa tag-iya? Naka-istorbo na tayo sa may-ari ng bahay niya.
Kay Mayor to, oy, kay Mayor. Kay Congressman. Oh, doon ang ganda ng light nun.
Hello, oo nga, Day. Ay, maganda nga.
Sabi ko nga, eh,
iPhone 10 eh.
Opo tayo? Sige, opo tayo.
Bahay ng ibang tao, yun, oy.
Kasama ko yun naman ng mga
Ala, yung anak mo palapit na talaga sa pinto.
Meron po kayo pagkain dyan.
May mayaman na naman, guys. Ito, mayaman to. Lunggundo. Ganda nun sa
Oh,
kanila.
it's good. Really good. Look at your chair.
Yeah,
You
I
can take photos.
know. There's a chair
There's like-
there. There's a
pulling
big
over.
chair. Magsa-stop. Picture pa more. Ito yung pinakamayaman na bahay, guys. Ah, this is so good. Close up natin, guys. No, you're right. Aww. Ah, look at that. Wow. I know. Gingerbread. Aw, tapos they have angels. Ah, may bata picture. Ang cute! Hala, ang galing itong bahay na to. Aw. 11 more sleeps, guys. Oh my gosh, this is perfect. Uy, mag-line ka, uy. Ang haba ng line, oh. Nagpicture na kami dyan. Siya yung aking Father Christmas.
I've done this so well, but they've got quality now.
Tignan mo si Neil.
Just selfie.
Do you want me to take a picture of you, Neil?
You
sure?
Trash your photos.
Ah, that's cool, Sharky. Parang gusto din ni Dana. Do you want one, babe?
I do, but
Hala.
come back tomorrow. You want one as well? Ate, you want one?
Oh, that's cool. You want one, ate?
Ate, pagkain lang. Utang na tayo.
$3, $4, $5 na donut. Ang cute ni ate. Naka-Santa hat siya. Nice. Si Dan lang yung kakain. Tignan mo si Dan. Oh, gutom. Babe, what are we doing?
Eating donuts. What else you don't know Wednesday night?
Guys, sarap ng donut, guys.
Sarap na, you guys. Sarap.
Sarap ng donut. Ay, hindi ako kumain ng donut.
Sarap din, hindi siya masyado matagas.
Sure ka? May pa-eyeglass ka lang.
No, I want that hand, but you didn't buy for yourself. That's why I'm giving it to you.
Hangul nga asawa, guys.
But I want it all.
Ayaw niya
Kainis
makipag-share.
talaga. Yan ang ayoko dahil na hindi bibili ng ano, tas yung akin yung kinain.
Uy, ano naman? Uy, yung relasyon mo, inano mo naman. Uy,
Oh, dahil gusto, love ko siya dahil basta-basta pagkain, akin lang yun dahil.
para naman si Danto. Ayaw mag-share. Hindi, ayaw ko talaga kumain ng donut.
Ayaw ko
Kaya
mag-share
inubos niya
talaga.
3.
Tastes good.
Balik tayo dun dahil.
Mamalik, pag-shoulder. Uy, nakakaon ka?
Gamay. Usa
Gamay. Uy, yung dog
You had the three, bakit? You had the three, ano?
Wala, binigay
Three
ko kay
donuts.
Mark.
Three donuts. Oh, okay.
But. Sige,
Promise.
kaon niyo yung tulog. Kalmar kay ikaw ang tulog. Ate si Lyra, ano binili mo, Lai? Sabi niya, hindi daw para sa kanya, pero pagdating sa bahay, gaganon-ganon yan. Yeah, fat. Okay lang ba yung sikat? Sikat ay naiwan sa sasakyan.
Day, wala tayong picture, Day. Hindi ako sinali sa picture, mga traidor.
Wala siya.
Alam, meron tayong picture.
Oo.
Day, sinali.
Kahit ako wala.
Ang linaw
Ay,
hindi ko pa nakita.
Hindi niyo ako sinali.
Ay, di wow.
Galit na ako. Friendship over.
Ala, friendship. End of friendship.
End of friendship.
Goodbye.
Wala tayo may yung samyang nasa ano, car.
Sige, kunin ko.
Bakit ano?
Guys, ito yung pinakamayaman sa lahat talaga. Tingnan nyo. Wow. Look at their house. And you can actually go there.
Kasi dito na kami. Sa mansion nila.
Nice. Olo.
Mag-house tour ako sa inyo.
House tour.
Hey, look at these ones down here as well.
No, when he's going down, he looks like he's stealing lights.
You got the
Oh, yeah.
angels in the snow.
And the horse racing.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, they're cool.
Akyat bahay Santa.
These will be the best grandparents.
Santa, akyat bahay. Sobrang daming magugundo, guys. Sa loob na to ng bahay nila, guys, ha? Like, see, ito na yung, pinto. Sa loob yan ng bahay nila. Yeah, that's so
Take
cool.
weeks to set this up.
Si Santa, uy.
Wala. Ito, pakita ko sa inyo yung kahit ko, guys. Ang aking perfect match. Siya. Oo nga eh, may picture na ako sa kanya.
Don't touch him.
Kahit ko yan. Ah, house tour, guys.
House tour.
This is your front yard. Oh, laki guys. Grabe talaga. Oh. Uwi na tayo. Uy, maaga pa ako bukas. 5:30 pa yung gising ko. Bahay na kami, guys. Tatapusin ko lang i-edit yung video ko para bukas. And then, matutulog na kami. Last na lang talaga bukas, guys. Last na lang talaga. Kaya ko to. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, be good. Good night. Mwah.